Help students explore their first aid skills in a cost-effective way with our MCR Medical First Aid Training Kit. Each training kit includes one roll of non-sterile conforming gauze, 2 gauze pads, and 1 pair of vinyl gloves. The training kits are individually packaged so you may easily pass them out during class. The roll of non-sterile conforming gauze is wrapped separately and measures 3 inches by 4.1 yards when rolled out. The gauze pads measure 4 by 4 inches. The gloves are vinyl and size large. This kit can easily be used to help students explore their first aid skills, such as using direct pressure for bleeding control, treating soft tissue injuries, and other first aid techniques. You can also teach the importance of preventing disease transmission with this great kit. MCR Medical's first aid training kits are the perfect tool for teaching first aid. Each kit contains all the necessary training materials for your students to have a successful training experience. These particular first aid training kits are sold in 10 packs, 100 packs, and cases of 500. Now you know what to expect when you receive your first aid training kits. For more quality CPR first aid training supplies and accessories, please feel free to check out the MCR Medical storefront. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.